Hello everyone, I bought a new mouse today, M209. I checked the website looking for driver instruction because tech guy who tested this mouse didn't put back the instruction. But even though I didn't find driver for this mouse because it says that I don't need one, I didn't find what 3 additional buttons represented because I never had a gaming mouse before and don't know how they operate. I figured out everything by myself. So let's test this mouse. And we're back to Twitter logo and let's recreate it with curvature tool. Near the wheel on the mouse, there is a button called DPI. For those who don't know what it does, you basically set the pointer speed the way you need it. It has 4-step DPI, starts really slow, then if you click again it gets a bit faster, and click again it gets fast, you can see it now, and again it goes insanely fast. I can't even catch it. So basically this mouse has 7 color backlight, 6 buttons, 4-step DPI, it is a gaming mouse and costs probably less than $10. And let's not forget one more thing, it is even more beautiful during the night.